Hey everyone, it's Janette again, and I'm here for another project. So I wanted to show everyone how to make tissue paper flowers, and it's pretty simple. In the activity kits that we gave out for this week, we have some pipe cleaners, you have some tissue paper, you may need some scissors to go with your project, but we'll go ahead and get started. So what we'll do is you're going to start folding. And you're just going to do like that. So you're going to have to flip it back and forth with your tissue paper. And you just keep going until the whole paper is flipped. And you can make it any size that you want. I already have a pre-cut tissue paper, but you can do it any way that you like. If you want a small flower, you can do that. You want a larger one, you just make your tissue paper larger. So we're going to keep doing that. And if it's not perfect, it's okay. Keep going. All right. So the next thing we're going to do, you're just going to take any color pipe cleaner, and you're going to go ahead and wrap it around here. So you want to do it kind of tight. And do that. Okay, I just kind of wrap it around. And that's your stem for the flower. And then now, it's already kind of out, and you're just going to start fluffing your paper. Alright, so this might take a little bit, but just take your time, pull each one apart, and then you're going to make your flower. And do both sides. You just want to pull it up towards the middle. And you can use any color you want. Make it your own. All right. Alright, so this is what I've got. So this is my flower. And you could do it any way. So there's different ways of doing the flowers. You could make roses, whatever you like. Use your imagination. And then we also have some beads. So this is just a little extra fun part. So you can go ahead and just add the beads to your stem, just to give it a little pizzazz to it. Do that. Different colors, and then you can just fold your little end to make sure that they don't fall off, and then ta-da! You have your tissue paper flowers. I hope you guys had fun. Please feel free to send your pictures of your projects to our social media, and yeah, I look forward to seeing your projects, and this has been fun.